gasoline. That's as hard to find as the right woman.
That's why I got this Toyota 5-speed long bed sport truck. Best Toyota truck gas mileage ever. 34 miles per gallon highway, 24 in the city.
And torque best in its class. You can find a better built truck than Toyota. Buy it.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 niggas won a war, 10 niggas on the floor, 11 niggas on the porch, 12 killers won a war, 13 carnivores, 14 Labradors, 15 dinosaurs, 16 avatars, 17 birds with the music to run a war, 18
Toyota's a beauty, all right. Not only does it have the longest bed, it has the biggest engine, too.
You can find a better built truck than Toyota. Buy it.
You asked for it, you got it.